भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। टेक्स्ट 31। हरे कृष्णा। वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। I request all my Vaishnava readers to read and hear with rapt attention this narration of Sri Krishna Chaitanya as inculcated in the revealed scriptures. Lord Krishna enjoyed manifestation Lord Krishna enjoyed by manifesting himself as the spiritual masters, the devotees, the diverse energies, the incarnations and the plenary portion. They are all six in one. I therefore worship the lotus feet of these six diversities of the one truth by invoking their benedictions. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the spiritual masters, the devotee of the Lord. The Lord's incarnations, His plenary portions, His energies, and the primeval Lord Himself, Sri Krishna Chaitanya. I first offer my respectful obeisances at the lotus feet of my initiating spiritual master and all my instructing spiritual masters. My instructing spiritual masters are Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatana Goswami, Sri Bhatta Raghunatha, Sri Jiva Goswami, Sri Gopala Bhatta Goswami, and Srila Raghunatha Dasa Goswami. These six are my instructing spiritual masters, and therefore I offer millions of respectful obeisances unto their lotus feet. There are innumerable devotees of the Lord, of whom Srivasa Thakura is the foremost. I offer my respectful obeisances thousands of times unto their lotus feet. Advaita Acharya is the Lord's partial incarnations. and therefore I offer my obeisances millions of times at his lotus feet. Srila Nityananda Rama is the plenary manifestation of the Lord, and I have been initiated by him. I therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto his lotus feet. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the internal potencies of the Lord, of whom Sri Gadadhara Prabhu is the foremost. Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the personality of Godhead himself, and therefore I offer innumerable prostrations at his lotus feet. Having offered obeisances unto the Lord and all his associates, I shall now try to explain these six diversities in one. Although I know that my spiritual master is a servitor of Sri Chaitanya, I know him also. His as I plenary manifestation of the Lord. According to the deliberate opinion of all revealed scriptures, the spiritual master is non-different from Krishna. Lord Krishna, in the form of the spiritual master, delivers his devotees. One should know the Acharya as myself and never disrespect him in any way. One should not envy him, thinking him an ordinary man, for he is the representative of all the demigods. One should know the instructing spiritual master to be the personality of Krishna. Lord Krishna manifests himself as the super soul and as the greatest devotee of the Lord. O my Lord, transcendental poets and experts in spiritual science could not fully express their indebtedness to you, even if they were endowed with the prolonged lifetime of Brahma. For you appear in two features, externally as the Acharya and eternally as the super soul, to deliver the embodied living being by directing him how to come to you. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. The Supreme Personality of Godhead. स्वयं भगवान taught Brahma and made him self-realized. Please hear attentively what I shall speak to you, for transcendental knowledge about me is not only scientific but also full of my strategies. By my causeless mercy, by enlightened in truth about my personality, manifestations, quality and pastimes. Prior to the cosmic creation, only I exist and no phenomena exist, either gross, subtle or primordial. After creation only I exist in everything, and after annihilation only I remain eternally. What appears to be truth without me is certainly my illusory energy, for nothing can exist without me. It is like a reflection of a real light in the shadows, for in the light there are neither shadow nor reflections. As the material elements enter the bodies of all living beings and yet remain outside them all, I exist within all material creations, and yet I am not within them. A person interested in transcendental knowledge must therefore always, directly and indirectly, inquire about it to know the all-pervading truth. All glories to Chintamani and my initiating spiritual master. Somagiri, all glory to my instructing spiritual master, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who wears peacock feathers in his crown, under the shade of his lotus feet, which are like desire trees. Jai Sri Radha Rani enjoy the transcendental mellow of an eternal concert. Since one cannot visually experience the presence of the super soul, he appears before us as a liberated devotee. Such a spiritual master is none other than Krishna himself. One should therefore avoid bad company and associate only with devotees. With their realized instructions, such saints can cut the knot connecting one with activities unfavorable to devotional service. The spiritual powerful message of Godhead can be properly discussed only in a society of devotees, and it is greatly pleasing to hear in that association. If one hears from devotees the way of transcendental experience quickly opens and gradually one attains firm faith that in due course develops into attraction and devotion. Hare Krishna.